Hi, my name is Dale, and today I'm going to talk you through what's on offer at IU's My Campus platform, the one-stop place for everything you'll need while studying. Let's start by logging in. You first get to the dashboard. This provides an overview of and access to important information such as your calendar, mailbox, Teams, and course-related info. Let's take a look at your account. Here, you have access to your matriculation number and customer ID, as well as your personal info if you need to update it. Now to your email. It's next to the language settings at the top right and will open in a separate tab. And to the left of that is your Teams, where you can interact with staff and students. Finally, there is your calendar. It shows you every session on your schedule or that you have created, whether or not it's part of the course, for example, any library courses you might have signed up for, or any group meetings with fellow students. The news feature gives you info from various departments, keeping you up to date with all the latest news from around IU and any need-to-know changes to the library or computing services that may come about. Now let's take a look how you can organise your studies through My Campus by starting with the application management. This is where you'll do most of your admin. Under point 3 and 4 of the listing, you'll apply for exam extensions and your thesis through the exam office. The student office enables you to make changes to your studies, whether it is applying for the LSBU British Degree Certificate, changing your time model or program, or applying to extend your studies. The international section is for those students who wish to change their study model and come join us on campus here in Berlin or Bad Honnef. Next up is the course registration section. From here, you can select, enroll for, and cancel your enrollment courses. You can check who will be teaching the course type, as well as the number of participants on the course. So you will know exactly what to expect from the course as you choose them. This is also where you'll be able to choose from elective modules later on in your degree. This page talks you through the process of registering for exams, online or at one of IU's examination centres. It guides you through every step for a stress-free experience. Just below, that is where you'll find your results will be published. There is a key at the bottom of the page which will tell you all you need to know about what the icons stand for. You'll also find your average grade across the degree at the bottom of the page. In the Documents page, you have access to all the documents relevant to your course, including your transcript of records, module handbook for courses, and more. Next, you have the Start Your Studies page. It contains all the most important information which you'll likely need during your studies, including benefits, access, courses, interaction, and communication options. The following page contains everything you need to support you through the process of planning, writing, and delivering your thesis. It summarises the process as well as giving info of all the different aspects of the thesis. Moving on to the exam guide. Here you'll learn everything from the type of exams you'll take, the focus of them, rules and regulations, and more. Our Library and Information Services page lets you search the online library, gives you news about the library run events, as well as giving you the option to book coaching and training sessions with the library staff on a range of subjects, from the best practices when using library resources, to study methods and more. Then we come to the FAQ section. This is the one-stop place for all you need to know about IU and studying here. Browsing by popular questions or categories, anything from admin to courses, fees, and scholarships, as well as contact details for people you may need to speak to during your studies. Now let's go back to the dashboard and take a look at what course pages look like. Here's the course dashboard. You'll see the name of your tutor and any news about the course, including information on your tutorials and a calendar informing you of any important dates specific to that course. Then there is the course book, which gives you what you need to know about that course, as well as a reading. There are links to the IU Learn app, an interactive app where you can read material, make notes on it, and save your work for later. Below that is the practice exam for the course to test your knowledge before you do the real thing. Course pages contain podcasts and presentations for you to download, so you can watch or listen to them whenever you like, whether you're on the go or at home. You can also find information on the course feed, where you can interact with tutors and students via Microsoft Teams to discuss or ask questions about your course. Video lecture and tutorial documents are there for you to use whenever you need them. That way, you can study as quickly or as slowly as you like. In addition, you can take regular online tests after each lecture so you can find out what your level is and which areas you could use some more work. This web-based version of the Learning app gives you convenient access to videos and text for each unit of your course, organised into respective learning cycles. Thanks for watching and listening. I hope you get a good idea of the resources you get as an IU student. We hope to see you graduating soon.